Ohio's new congressional map is facing a long battle in the Supreme Court. Some arguing the new map favors the Republican Party. Governor Mike DeWine approved and signed the map into law last month, with groups quickly questioning if its creation process was constitutional. Our Marissa Saenz has the latest.
The makeup of this map has been the center of attention for months in Ohio, determining what could be new Ohio congressional districts.
This does not accurately represent our populations across the state.
If they choose to reject the maps, then they can tell us why. Time is of the essence.
The Secretary of State of Ohio, Frank LaRose, a Republican who was on the redistricting committee, sitting down to answer questions about the process.
In a commission like that, you need to be able to get a majority of people together that have that same interest in finding that compromise, and there wasn't the interest by several of my colleagues.
The partisan map, which would only rule for 4 years, meant to reflect political proportionality based on voting results, amongst other things, has landed in the hands of the Ohio Supreme Court.
Yesterday, they put on an order and asked for additional briefing, which means they're wrestling with this a little bit, trying to figure out where they want to go.
Both parties required to answer the court by Friday. The new map gives 12 of Ohio's 15 congressional seats to Republicans. The National Redistricting Action Fund, who filed the suit, argues that anti-gerrymandering reform signed into state law in 2018 is being ignored, challenging the legality of the redrawing.
Is there a reflection of gerrymandering here that's beyond the reflection of votes?
The ultimate decision is up to the voters. I don't think that anyone should be so arrogant to think that just the line drawing determines the outcome.
That's not representative. Clearly, these maps do favor one party over another. We would want to see districts that are a little bit more concise because, again, that focuses on the people who really live there.
Republicans that approved the map, including LaRose, deeming the map constitutional, but reminding that time is scarce heading into a 2020 election year.
It'll be election season before you know it.
Marissa Saenz, 3 News.